We are officially in the fall season. It's fall season. It's fall season. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this, whether it's going to fall exactly on Val's Day, but whatever day it is, we're going to do some makeup for Val's Day, okay? So let's put this hair backwards. I have some visitors here because at the moment I'm also having some visitors, so we are going to start straight ahead with primer, because if you are going out, it's likely to be a long night. I'm using the Ever Beauty primer. I just feel like I have the same makeup products, so sometimes when I'm doing makeup, I feel like, okay, it's like I'm repeating myself with the products that I use. You get it? Lest I forget, you should always have your lip balm on, because girl, there's no way you want your lips to be dry, and it doesn't matter what season it is. Baby girl, get your lip balms, get you some succulent lips, okay? And more for me, even when I'm going to sleep, I just slather it on like it's nobody's business. You get it? So now that I have my primer, I'm going to have my setting powder on. This is Revolution Banana Scented. Just going to pour a little on a flat surface, and that is what I'm going to work with. These are all the set of brushes that I have. And I have my pencils in this case, small case. I don't have a lot of makeup products because I'm just one person. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't use a lot of products. That's why I'm saying that I feel like I'm repeating myself with the products that I use. Do you guys think I should still be saying which products I use? Because every day there will be somebody who is new, right? Who would need it. So I think it's fair to mention them anyway. Get into the eyebrows. So now that we have our primer and then our setting powder, we are going to go straight ahead with the eyebrows, okay? I'm going to use my wood eyebrow pencil. I have this cute sharpener that I bought. So that's what I'm going to use. See, it has really sharpened it very well. All right, and in order to get my sleeked eyebrows, I'm going to use this spoolie to just brush my eyebrows upwards like this. I've already trimmed my eyebrows. I'm going to start from here too, so you can see that I'm drawing it this direction. And then I'll raise it up a bit, and then I'll curve it right here. Okay. Then I'll go to the top, but at the top, I won't start from all the way to this place. I'll just start a little behind where my eyebrows have grown, and then I'll draw it. And you see where this one curves? I'm going to match it with this top here so that they both work together. And I always tell you guys to practice until you get it, even if it takes you a million years. So far as you are willing to do your makeup yourself. Because if you are willing to do your makeup yourself, why are you giving up? Don't give up. Please. Okay, so you're going to use the foundation and the concealer to correct every mistake we've done here. So for now, I'll just leave it like this. And then I will just draw some tiny strokes at the front. And then I'll shade the rest of it. I have fallen in love with black eyebrow pencil. So like I mentioned the other time, you can experiment with dark brown and then really see which one you think would fit your face or suit your face. So I'm going to do the same thing I've done here to this one. So you see how deep the eyebrows are? I'm going to use the same spoolie to brush through to kind of lighten up the deepness. Do you get it? Today I'm going to use Volumix Pro Concealer. You see how old it is? And then my foundation, like you all know, this is Maybelline Fit Me. Both foundations are Maybelline Fit Me's, and they are two different shades, so I've mixed them together into this small container to give me the perfect shade. If you go and buy your makeup in person yourself, you get the chance to match the foundation to your face in the store, so you don't have to come back home and then be mixing foundations. I bought them online. That's why I didn't get my shade. And then when you're also doing makeup, make sure that you have some wipes by you. I don't use it to wipe my face after makeup. It's not advisable. That'll be another topic for another day. But have some wipes so that when you spill some products on your hands, you can use the wipes to clean it so that you don't soil yourself by the time you are done. And the Pro Concealer will go under the eyebrows. So you see the way I started from the bottom and then I built it all the way up. And over here, I'm just going according to how the eyebrows are drawn. Just following the pencil. Nothing magical, okay? And I'm going to draw the front as well. So you see how I'm bringing it all the way here. When I'm doing this part, I'll join it together so that it will look like they are the same. You see? Then I'll use the other side of the brush to do my foundation. So I'm starting from the top and then I'll bring it down. And then same way, I'll bring it to the middle and then I'll join the other one. All right, I think we are good. So I'm going to use my brush to blend everything together. And I'll start from the top. And with the blending, you need to be very careful. Otherwise, you'll mess your eyebrows. It hurts. And with the blending, I'm just trying to press the product in. I'm not sliding it like this. I'm pressing the product in. That's how you can achieve a good blended makeup. Okay. So I'll use the chance to blend it all upwards. I'll just distribute the products on my forehead. Then once everything is looking good at the top, I'll just come down and then I'll start from the middle here. And then try to extend it over the bridge of my nose. Then I'll begin to press it inside very gently. Do the same thing here. Then after that, I'll use my spoolie again to brush it upwards like this. So I'm going to do my eye makeup and I'm going to use Beckham Ageless eyeshadow palette. I've shown it to you before, right? The only eyeshadow that is closer to this one is this one. Let me see the Magic by Juvia's. This one is a little closer. Maybe I'm going to mix this one with this one. I think it will give me a more closer match to this one. So let us just begin. Let's begin, okay? It's going to be a very quick one. So I'm just going to, this one. It's going to be a little bold. So I'll start from the bottom and then build it all the way up like that. So I'll just go ahead and then fetch the colors. I'm going to put them into this container, okay? And then I'll mix them together. Just creeping a little bit and pour. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. So I'm going to fetch the other one. I have that also in. This one is like a whole concoction. You see what I told you? You see what I told you? It's not perfect, but at least it's close. I just scraped it and then added setting spray. I haven't tried this before, so this is also an experiment for me. This is a learning process for me. So if it doesn't go well, we are in this together. So I'm going to use this small brush. I'm not talking because I really want to get it as perfect as I can. You see my hooded eyes. You see what's happening? Do you guys see what's happening? Okay, so I'm going a little above my hood. Should I apply it all over? Now look at what I'm doing. Jeez. I think we'll leave it to the end to justify, because at this point I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm using this shade. Tap it all in here. Same foundation we used. And then I'll apply my concealer. Today I'm using Blossom Spotless Concealer. Alright, so because it's going to be a long night, I'm going to apply setting spray before I blend everything together. Press it in like that. Alright, then I'm going to blend my concealer. You see it's coming together? And this foundation I'm using is actually matte. It's not oily. It's not an oily foundation. It's a matte foundation. It means that it dries very fast and it doesn't contain any oil. So in that way, if you sweat a lot or if you have oily skin, it will really, really help with the sweat management. All right. It's coming together. I'm going to use my LA Girl Contour Palette, this shade. Just place it right here. Then just a little bit under my chin, because we want to have that sculptured face. A little bit on my forehead, just at this corner. Then I'm going to use LA Girl blush. Smile, smile. Then I'm going to apply my setting powder. So I'll just press it in like that. And then I'm going to use this LA Girl pressed powder to kind of like diffuse everything together. And then I'm going to use my Beckham Ageless highlighter just right here. And then a little bit on the bridge. And then on my tip. We get. I'm going to add a black pencil to my waterline. And I'm going to extend my eye, the corner of my eyes. I'm going to extend it And then last but not least, I'm going to use the same burgundy shade that I used to shade my under eyes like so. And then kind of blend it together with the green or the teal color. I think we have something that is working, you know. This one is longer than this one, but it's okay. It's makeup. It's art. It's okay, darling. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm using this lip liner. And then I'm going to use this lipstick. Like it's 2-in-1 lipstick and then lip gloss. It's called Gulf Flowers. I think we are looking very good. It's left with mascara and then eyelashes. And I'm using this eyelashes. I think I'm going to use a golden shimmer. Yeah, it's looking much better. It's looking much better. Setting spray. I'm going to allow it to marinate. I'm going to do my edges and then I'll wear my dress and I'll be back, okay? Now, baby girl, tell me if this isn't the look already. Like, I mean, just look at that. Everything is giving what it's supposed to give. The hairstyle is giving. The nails are giving. The makeup is giving. You see the colors also really matched perfectly. See how it's matching with the teal. Everything is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? If you loved this video, I mean, what are you waiting for? Please give me a thumbs up, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would do differently if you were doing this makeup with these colors that I have. Thank you so much for watching today. All the best. Have a wonderful Valentine's season. Go out with your love. If you will stay home to do fun activities, anything that you can to make sure that your love is loved. Okay? All right. Do have a wonderful day. I love you. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, if you watched up to this moment, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.